Okay, we are going to do a 2 by 2 by 2 zigzag stitch, again for stretching as we sew the waistband to our joggers, right sides together. Please check and make sure you have your right sides together. You'll line this up at the 5/8 inch, drop your feed dog, and we just sew this around. Now if you look, you can see I've got a little bubble right here. And I will have little bubbles all the way across. And so in order to sew and not get a tuck, I'm going to hold behind and in front and re-stretch that waistband out, just like it was on the corkboard just a minute ago. So you actually have to stretch it and hold it in place as you sew. And you only stretch to the point where the pant is the same side as the band. Don't stretch to flatness and then stretch beyond that. Just stretch to where the pant meets the band and lay smooth. As you get to each pin, just take each pin out as you go. And continue around that band, making sure that you're holding in front and behind, putting that little tiny bit of stretch in the pant, or in the band, putting that little tiny bit of stretch in the band. To match the circumference of the pant. And you will continue all the way around your pants. And so I will get back with you when I'm all the way around the pant. So I've